Hi, this is Scott Lindsay, Development Manager at Excel Automation. I'm going to give you a quick demonstration of a recent project we did for a client that used a Google Sheet to capture information and then store that in an Excel workbook for reporting and analysis. Now, the Google Sheet approach can be used or is very useful because it allows the user to either use a computer, a tablet, or a phone to capture the information. And so the user can be on the move, remote location, in transit, or in a warehouse, or off the office floor, capturing the information. And then it will be stored back in the Google Sheet online as long as there's connectivity, and then available for analysis later on. So this Google Sheet here in front of me, I'm actually on a computer at the moment, is basically a fairly basic entry template, and the user will go through and select various values, in this case for the inspection that is being done on the farms for this particular client, and then it will be stored back in the Google Sheet to be then uploaded into Excel. So I'll just quickly enter some things here to show you how it all works. There's various drop downs that can be used. And also automated sort of routines that populate different changes in the sheet. As you can see here, I've just done a drop down and that's showing different sections on the particular form, and then they can enter the details for the particular entry that they're putting in and some comments. And here, once the entry is ready, the user would just go, okay, I'm going to go the entry, and this is going to save that particular entry into the sheets for this Google Sheet, ready for later use by the Excel workbook when it comes into play. So I'll just show you the Excel workbook that would use this, and this is a standard sort of Excel workbook that has some routines built by Excel Automation to draw in the information. So in this case, the user simply clicks on Load Data, and the Load Data routine will now go to that Google Sheet. We'll extract all the information out of that Google Sheet automatically and then store it into these sheets here for reporting and analysis. And once that's finished going through all the Google Sheets that it needs to capture the information from, it's then available for that reporting. So this is a really useful approach to use so that you can have people in the field, not at an office location or not at a desk, capturing information that is then available for reporting in the